Hi everyone, this is Diane with Sacred Light Integrations. Have we all got our spaces a bit more organized after the last video? I know I do. But with that, we can now take our feng shui to the next level. As the Chinese bring in the elements of nature into all of their practice, the Bagua Map is no different. A Bagua Map is a tool that the Chinese created to divide a space into 9 sections, each representing an element of nature: fire, earth, metal, wood, and water. And then each of these sections corresponds to an aspect of our life. To begin with, you overlay the Bagua map to the floor plan of your home and based on the location of the front door. But always remembering with that, if you're like for me in a townhouse, my garage is in front of my front door. So the Bagua map where you would actually set it to the front of your garage. And then your garage may be as part of your feng shui that you would need to incorporate colors or different aspects. But you just need to get a little creative if it's in your garage or your front entryway. I know I certainly had to, but the idea of this Bagua map then is the overlay is to balance the energy of the space by bringing the correct colors and elements to that space in accordance with nature. This in turn will help lead to more flowing energy in your space and then, of course, hopefully your life. Play with this a little bit if it calls to you. And since I was guided to do 2 videos about this, I will definitely be revisiting the spaces in my home. If you want a copy of this free Bagua map, just send me an email and I will shoot that PDF over to you. And keeping our concept going of what other things affect the energy within us, stay tuned and make sure that you hit that notification button to be sure that you get notified when the next video goes live. Until then, namaste.